As a project manager, leadership skills are an essential part of your toolkit. These skills enable you to effectively lead and manage your team and to ensure that your project is completed successfully. There are many different qualities and skills that contribute to effective leadership, and it is important for project managers to cultivate and develop these skills in order to be effective in their role. One key leadership quality is the ability to set clear goals and objectives. As a leader of the project team, it is your responsibility to define the scope and direction of the project and to set clear goals and objectives that guide the work of your team. By setting clear goals and objectives, you can ensure that your team is aligned and focused on achieving the desired outcomes and that the project stays on track and meets its objectives. In addition to setting clear goals and objectives, effective leaders also have strong communication skills. This includes the ability to effectively communicate with team members, clients, and other stakeholders, and to manage expectations and address any concerns or issues that may arise. By communicating effectively, you can ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards a common goal, and that your team is able to work effectively and efficiently. Another important leadership quality is the ability to delegate tasks and responsibilities. As a project manager, you are responsible for leading and managing your team, but you cannot do everything yourself. It is important for you to be able to effectively delegate tasks and responsibilities to your team members and to trust them to complete these tasks to the best of their ability. By delegating tasks and responsibilities, you can free up your own time and energy to focus on the most important aspects of your role. And you can also help your team members develop their own skills and capabilities. In addition to these leadership qualities, there are also a number of specific skills that are important for project managers to possess. These skills include problem-solving skills, conflict resolution skills, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. By developing these skills, project managers can effectively lead and manage their team and navigate the challenges and roadblocks that may arise during the course of a project. Effective leadership also involves being able to inspire and motivate team members. This involves creating a positive and collaborative work environment and providing support and resources to help team members achieve their goals. By inspiring and motivating your team, you can foster a sense of ownership and commitment and help your team members to perform at their best. Finally, effective leaders are also able to build strong relationships with stakeholders, including team members, clients, and other stakeholders. By building strong relationships, you can create a positive and collaborative culture and ensure that your projects are aligned with the needs and priorities of these groups. Overall, leadership qualities and skills are an essential part of project managers' toolkit. By cultivating and developing these skills, project managers can effectively lead and manage their team and ensure that their projects are completed successfully. See you in the next lecture.